Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove your Google account from all devices. Perfect if you are upgrading to a new device or concerned about suspicious activity. Let's get started. First, open any Google service like Gmail. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, select Manage your Google account. This takes you to your account dashboard where you control all your Google settings. Now, look to the left-hand menu and click the Security tab. Once inside, scroll down until you find the section titled Your Devices. Here, click Manage All Devices. You will now see a list of all devices currently or recently signed into your Google account. Take a moment to review this list carefully. If you see any devices you don't recognize, check on that device to expand the details. Then go ahead and click Sign Out. This instantly disconnects that device from your account and helps protect your data. No one can access your account on that device unless they sign in again manually. You can repeat this process for any other device you no longer use or don't recognize. And that's it, guys. You have successfully removed your Google account from unwanted devices. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.